Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is Vimana drone surgery brings remote battlefield surgery breakthrough. Vimana drone surgery enables remote battlefield surgery, delivering expert care in extreme zones where evacuation and treatment remain impossible. Drones have steadily evolved from surveillance tools and combat assets into critical enablers of rescue and relief. Now, an India-based company, SS Innovations, is attempting to redefine their role entirely by turning them into life-saving surgical platforms. The company's new concept, the Vimana drone, is designed to deliver expert robotic surgery directly to injured soldiers in remote and high-risk battlefield zones. In situations where evacuation is delayed or impossible, the system aims to bridge the crucial gap between injury and advanced medical care. Still in its proof-of-concept stage, the Vimana drone is envisioned as a rapid-response surgical unit capable of stabilizing critically wounded personnel. It is designed to perform essential procedures such as hemorrhage control, wound repair, chest decompression, shrapnel removal, and suturing, interventions that can significantly improve survival chances before evacuation. Unlike conventional medical drones that drop supplies, Vimana enables real-time remote surgery. Equipped with two miniature robotic arms and precision manipulators, it uses compact 5mm surgical tools including forceps, scissors, cautery devices, and suction systems. Surgeons, operating from a distant and safe location, can control the system to perform delicate procedures on the battlefield. The drone is expected to have a flight time of around 30 minutes, along with a similar operational window. According to the company, efforts are also underway to ensure the system is secure and resistant to cyber threats before deployment. Early indications suggest that it could begin real-world missions as soon as next year. Beyond military use, the technology holds strong potential for civilian emergencies. In scenarios such as road accidents or natural disasters, where immediate access to skilled surgeons is limited, the Vimana system could provide critical, life-saving intervention. The platform builds on SSI's existing Mantra surgical system, a modular robotic solution aimed at making advanced procedures more accessible. Alongside Vimana, the company also introduced a mobile surgical unit concept, Project Operion, at a global medtech event. Together, these innovations point toward a future where geography no longer limits access to expert surgical care. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.